My name is Andre with KayakRackShack.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install the MaxxHaul 70231 hitch mount bed extender. So the only thing you're going to need with this installation is a trailer hitch pin. In addition, you have 5 pieces here. We're going to start with the first one, and I'll show you as we get along with the rest. So this is your first piece that goes into your trailer hitch. Think about this here. And then you want to make sure that your pin is safely secured to your hitch. Then we're going to move on to the next piece, which is where these pins will come into play. So we're going to go with your second piece. Install this right here. First pin comes in this way. Now we're going to work on your third piece. This is your next one, which I should have noted. It's completely adjustable based on the height of your truck, in addition to the side ends of this truck mount. So you're going to install this here, and you're just going to adjust this to the proper height, which in my case is going to be about right here. Pin goes in, and you're set. Now we're going to install the 2 end pieces of the truck bed extender, and same as before, they're both adjustable. So we're going to set these, and then we're going to install the pins. So make sure you line it up with the hole, get your pins mounted. And you're all set. This is how you install the truck bed extender.